Hello. Unfortunately, this bike tube has a hole in it, and so today I'm going to show you how to find the hole in this tube. So first of all, I'm just going to add some air. I've got my bike pump, and I'll put a little bit of air into the tube. Put that off, and start pumping. Here we go. There's a bit of air going into the tube. Now take off the pump. Tighten up the valve, and then all you need to do with this, I've got a bowl of water here, is just run the tube along this bowl of water until you see the bubbles. So keep going along. Okay, that sounds good. Oh, there we go. There's the bubbles coming up from the tube, about there. Okay, so then I'll put my finger on where that hole is. Yep. And just mark it with a piece of chalk, like so I can repair the hole. Put it back under the water and make sure that that's accurate. I was a little bit off there. So there we go. There we go. That's a simple way to find the hole in the bike tube. And now I know where the hole is, so I can repair the tube in that spot. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.